As you guys and girls know, I bought the seat covers and installed them. They look great. Got them from the Extreme online store. What just came in today is the lip, the front bumper lip. All right, guys, as you can see, I got the baby up in the garage. This is the lip. We're about to get to this installation. They say 2 people. If I need, then I will definitely be grabbing another pair of hands. I have my 3M tape right here. Yeah, so let's get to this installation. All of these holes line up from the bottom of the car to the lip. They all line up. So let's get to cleaning and installing. You're gonna need you a socket. I'm needing a 7mm socket wrench. So this is one of the tools you're gonna have to find. So 7mm socket is the one you're gonna need. All right, here we go, guys. It is complete. This is easy job to do. And I don't even, I don't have a stand. I use my jack, and I just jacked up the front end right here just to give myself enough clearance that I could slide under the vehicle. There is approximately 12 screws that line up so you can get the lip on. What I would suggest is lining up the screw here and the screw here at the ends. Make sure those holes line up. These 2 will line up as well, and these will line up as well. The other holes won't line up, so you may have to drill if you want to, but it's on there firm. This thing isn't moving. I put enough, torque in it using the socket wrench, so it's in there snug. So ain't nothing happening to it. You're definitely gonna have to pay attention to low clearances, but honestly, it shouldn't be that bad. But yes, here we go. It looks great on here. Didn't get it painted. The matte black will do. As you can see, the matte black looks good itself. Difficulty out of a 10, I would say the difficulty on this is or a 6. 1 meaning easy, 10 meaning very difficult. So it's somewhere in the middle. It took me approximately an hour to do this job. It took me an hour, and I'm very pleased. So though it says you need 2 people, 2 people will definitely make it easier when you're holding up one side and the other side to see if the holes line up. Other than that, once you put the screw in here, and then in the middle, it'll be aligned. And all you have to worry about now is the rest of the screws, putting those in place. But yeah, this makes a hell of a difference. I always felt like if you didn't have a lip on your Camaro, your Camaro kind of looked naked to me. Yeah, so it is there. Again, very, very easy job. I got the lip from Extreme online store, which is the same place I got my seat covers. So, hey, chalk up 2 W's. Didn't take no L's. Everything came in that I needed. Everything fitted correctly. It was easy, no hassle, so I don't got to return it. Hey, if I had to grade them 5 stars, they would definitely get 5 out of 5 stars. So there you have it. How does she look? She looks good, doesn't she? Yeah. Well, thanks for watching the video. This is your boy, Hot Rod Fuego. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like if you like the video. Comment. And I'm out.